guys, and welcome back to another video on our YouTube channel. Today we're making shrimp rice. So what you need is of course shrimp. Here you see shrimps covered with chili powder, and other ingredients are onions, garlic, tomatoes, and green chilies. You might stir it well. After it's a little bit goldish brownish, you add garlic ginger paste, and you just smash garlic and ginger together. Then you add green chili and tomatoes. After that, you add tamarind mixed water. You might stir this well so it gets mixed well. Curry powder, or this is also called biryani powder, but that's just optional, just to get a taste. After some minutes you close it, and after like it's boiling or something, you put in hot water. It don't have to be hot, but just so it cooks a lot faster, you put hot water. Then you add rice. You probably want to wash the rice before you add it, so it isn't anything in there. We wash it like 2 to 3 times before we add it. We close it, and when it's kind of boiling, we add it. This is also optional, but you can add fried onions and fried nuts. So we add them after they are gold brownish, but this is just to get a crispy texture, kind of. This is optional, of course, you don't have to do it. We also add some coriander leaves to get some taste, and then we just leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. And if you don't want it like really soggy, you don't have to leave it that long, but we did want it a little bit soggy, so we did leave it a lot longer. But that is it for today, guys, and I hope you liked it.